Okay, dear gentlemen, I have seen this time the first as a plant and I'm impressed. They are good machinery, modern machinery. I think if they are working well and we optimize each equipment from themselves, then they can produce very good batteries which are ready for the market, which are used here in Bangladesh and other countries where you sell it. So let's go for the next step, that we are going to look for each equipment and optimize all the points which can be optimized, that you get much better batteries. Thanks.
Our battery has wide strip casting process, which ensure uniform thickness in grade and resist corrosion of grade. Panel battery produce grade using latest punched grade and expanded grade technology. This results longer battery life, good quality, and excellent performance of battery. Double-side piston machine ensure each plate inside the battery is uniform weight and thickness.
section consists of latest machinery from Turkey. It is fully automatic and uses robotic arms to assemble batteries. Also, this line has 3 quality checking points. If there is a minimal error, this line will reject the batteries, and this line ensures just perfectly manufactured batteries to the next stage.
My formation system is composite from the independent water chiller system, automatic charge and discharge station, supervising system. From the water bath in automatically without of the operators, the battery will come in automatically inside, start the formation and automatically unloading. This is the first totally automatically formation line in Bangladesh.
This is a battery finishing line from CMW Technology in Germany. Consists of a battery leaking test, a washing machine, pole greaser, a brusher, HRD, HVD tester. It's a fully automatic system running up to 24 hours a day, fully automatic.